Hi, I'm Mike Ritter. I purchased a two-family home with my wife in Dorchester, which needed a lot of work. And among many big projects, the HVAC system in our unit has become the biggest. Boston Standard's owner, Joe, came out not long after we purchased our home to take a look all around. We knew we needed to replace the boiler, and we thought we'd use a combi boiler, but that would have required us to retrofit all the radiators, which would have cost as much as putting in a new HVAC system. So we started to look at getting a new HVAC system. Initially, we were thinking of putting in a furnace and an AC. And after about 5 different plans, Leo with Boston Standard helped us narrow it down to a Mitsubishi HyperHeat air source heat pump. It's efficient and it can be zoned. So upstairs we have 2 ductless units and then a ducted zone on the second floor.
So this is Mike's new Mitsubishi electric HyperHeat system. It's an air source heat pump. It provides high efficiency heating and cooling for the entire year, even during New England's harsh winters. The installation was simple. The system is very reliable, and because Boston Standard is a Mitsubishi Diamond Elite dealer, it's backed by a 12-year warranty.
Now, the only way that we could pay for this new HVAC system was by using the Mass Save Heat Loan program, which provides a 7-year loan at a 0% interest rate and covered almost the entire cost of the install. Now, Mass Save's great, but it can be confusing too. About halfway through our bid, the calendar year turned over, and so did the requirements for systems that qualified for Mass Save financing. But Leo was there, he helped us tweak our system so it still qualified, and we were able to move forward. And the Boston Standard office filed the paperwork for the rebates for our system with the Mass Clean Energy Center. The Mitsubishi air source heat pump system is really exciting. It's efficient and it runs on all electric, so it works great with the solar panels we have on our house. When we're away, we can change the temperature of our home with our smartphones. We just never thought that we'd have a central AC for those hot, muggy New England summer days, or that the HyperHeat system could provide heat during those cold New England winter nights. And with new HVAC in place, we were able to take out all the old radiators and pipes, which would have needed service if they stayed, freeing up space in the living area, and we removed the boiler in the basement, freeing up even more space. Thanks to Boston Standard, Mitsubishi, and Mass Save, we now have an HVAC system which runs almost entirely on the power of the sun. And we couldn't even have thought of this when we purchased the home. It's the biggest project we've done, and it's helped us turn this house into our home, and we just want to say thank you.